Paul Basolga, IB Masters Learning Center, IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 21st question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2. It's from the Blue Book app, the easier set of math questions. Number 21 reads, wire with length of 106 inches is cut into two parts. One part has a length of X inches, and the other part has a length of Y inches. The value of X is 6 more than 4 times the value of Y. What is the value of X? So anytime there's something you could draw it. The proctor will give you a piece of paper where you could put stuff. I recommend cutting that piece of paper into boxes so you can distinguish, like, hey, all of the work for this question's in this box, all the work for the next question's in that box. So it says it's cut into two parts. I'm just going to put a line there. And it says it has 106 inches. So that must be the total length here to here. Okay. One part's X, the other part is Y. That's a Y. And then the value of X is, now I'm going to translate this into an equation. So from this you could see X plus Y equals 106. And it says value of X is means equals, X is equals 6 more than 4 times the value of Y. So 6 more than 4 times the value of Y is going to go just like that. One thing you have to be careful of is if it said 6 less, then it would have to be 4Y minus 6, not 6 minus 4Y. Okay, so here, since X is 6 plus 4Y, you could say 6 plus 4Y plus Y. So this X is 6 plus 4Y, and this is the plus Y over here, equals 106. Okay. And now when you add these two Y's, you get 6 plus 5Y equals 106. Minus 6 from both sides. You get 5Y equals 100. Divide both sides by 5. And you get 20. Now, one thing that's very nice of the College Board is that they did not give 20 as an option. Because if they did, a lot more students would get this wrong. And many of you probably said, hey, Y equals 20. That's not an answer choice. What's up with that? Because it's asking for the value of X. So what you've got to do, since Y equals 20, I really shouldn't have circled it because you might think that that's your answer. You got to plug it back into X plus Y equals 106. So X plus Y equals 106. Now in place of Y, you can put that 20. X plus 20 equals 106. Now when you subtract 20 from both sides, you get X equals 86. D is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty translating a word problem or doing a system of equations. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Give me any suggestions that you have to make this channel better. Also, if you're looking for the short video, just a 1-minute video solution, that should be just below this in this playlist. So IBMasters.com on YouTube. It's Test 2 Module 2A, the easier set of math questions. And have a great day.